So if you don't have a big expensive GPU or a stack of Mac Studios, or you just like free shit, do yourself a favor, head over to build.nvidia.com and set up an account. This is all free. I've already set up my account. I'm going to jump over here to models. I'm going to hit free endpoint in this filters section. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to go with most popular and just pick something. Let's try this dev stroll. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on view code. Now over here in my models JSON in my Pi directory, I've got provider set up for llama.cpp, Ollama, and OMLX. I'm going to drop in this template for NVIDIA, and it's just a copy of the other one. So the provider name is NVIDIA. I'm going to get the URL and the API key and the model name from this code window. But first I'm going to hit generate API key. So here's my base URL, which I'm going to drop in that field there. I'm going to get this API key, drop it in there. And then I'm going to grab this model. I'm going to drop that in the ID. I'll just drop it in the name as well. I'm going to save that. Got this empty folder called test NIM. I'm going to run Pi. I'm going to switch to models. And there's my NVIDIA model right there. So I'm going to choose to use that. And I'm just going to drop in this random prompt that I found on the internet that generates a landing page. And we're going to see how this goes. Cool. So looks like that's working. Let's take a look in our directory. So we've got an index HTML. I'm going to load that up with browser sync. And there you go. There is our landing page for our company. We ran all of that on NVIDIA's GPUs, not on our own, and it was free.